In 2013, there were only 60 craft distillers operating in the United States. Today, that number has risen to 760.
The craft distilling industry is going through a tremendous boom similar to what breweries and wineries went through in this country. This is fueled by a couple of things. One is the loosening of Prohibition-era laws that, believe it or not, were still in effect, which is also driven by American innovation and ingenuity.
With long lead times and a growing demand in the U.S., distilleries began looking to other countries for reputable manufacturers.
As a relatively small country, Hungary can only be successful in an ever more competitive global economic environment with the most cutting-edge, world-class solutions, technologies and services. In this regard, we have a strong track record, boasting the largest number of Nobel Prize laureates in the world per capita, and our distillery industry has grown out of this ancient tradition of innovation in agriculture.
Backed by more than 16 years of experience and a team of dedicated engineers and designers, Hagyodistilling, headquartered in Hungary, builds exceptional equipment for the industry.
Pálinka is our national beverage made 100% out of fruit. It is a fruit spirit that is not only fine tasting but healthy, and Hagyó is one of the depositories of this tradition, a world-class company now on the verge of conquering not only Europe but also other continents.
With our deep-rooted tradition in distilling Pálinka culture and winemaking, Hungary has distilling talents and equipment innovations that are difficult to find elsewhere. The Hungarian National Trading House was established in 2013 to promote the export of innovative Hungarian technologies. American companies can turn to the trading house if they intend to build business relationship with Hungarian companies in distilled spirits or wine space. With our offices in Chicago and Los Angeles, our objective is to be a bridge for connecting Hungarian companies to new markets, such as the booming US distilled spirits industry.
The people at Boardroom Spirits saw an opportunity to introduce a different kind of experience to the U.S. market, providing a domestically distilled brandy that embraced their heritage.
Distilling is similar to cooking. You need the right tools in order to create an exceptional meal. That concept applies to distilling as well. If you don't have the right tools, you might not be able to make the best quality spirit possible.
From mashing to fermenting to distilling, and even blending, Hagyó has automation for all parts of the process.
The beauty of Hagyó's proprietary automation software is that it works in harmony with sensors and hardware, and this allows us to have precise controls of our operation. We can now set recipes and follow those recipes, intervene when necessary, because we have access to the most accurate data of that process.
Using their equipment and automation technology enables craft distilleries to operate like the bigger, more established distilleries, while still retaining the high quality and consistency of their products.
What's amazing with Hagyó's software is the ability to remotely connect from any internet-connected laptop in the world. And we've done this having a distiller logged in from Hungary across the ocean, running a distillation that I was then relaying feedback from Lansdale, PA. It does provide benefits where Hagyó technicians can access our equipment to determine if there's anything that they need to troubleshoot or provide guidance or maintenance. It's setting the new normal for how distilleries should operate going forward.
As the first distillery in the U.S. to create a 100% vegetable-based distillate, Boardroom Spirits complements Hagyó's focus on innovation.
The most innovative product that we have is our Beet Specialty Spirit. The beauty of this product is it captures the experience of you walking out to the farm, plucking a beet from the ground, smelling and biting into it. We capture the essence of that experience in a glass. And we do this by bringing in a ton of beets, 2,000 pounds, inspecting them, grinding them down, and then fermenting them and distilling them into a spirit. All of the flavor comes naturally from the raw ingredient fermentation and distillation with nothing else added to it.
With no juice or concentrate and absolutely no artificial flavors, sweeteners, preservatives, or food coloring, Boardroom Spirits has created a line of flavored vodkas that are infused with real fruit.
So whereas Beet showcases innovation of introducing a brand new product category, something that is not in the US market, our Fresh line showcases taking an existing product category, flavored vodka, and tweaking it to meet consumer preferences and changing perceptions. What we've done is we've created a product line that is infused with real fruit, meaning we don't use any artificial flavors, no sweeteners, no preservatives, no food coloring, we don't use juices or concentrates. All of the flavor is naturally derived from the fresh fruit. To create our fresh product line, what we do is we infuse our vodka with the real fruit itself, and we'll then redistill through 2 different stills, blend everything back together and reinfuse to give it that rich, robust, harvest fresh color. When we started Boardroom Spirits, our goal was to be the most innovative distillery out there by creating new product categories as well as taking existing categories and tweaking them to meet consumers' changing preferences. What drew us to Hagyó was their focus on innovation. They make mechanically sound equipment and they take it one step further by adding the software component. The distiller can run a safer and more efficient operation, but at the same time produce a more consistent product and a higher quality product because now accurate data allows you to make more well-informed decisions. We feel that Boardroom Spirits is setting the trend for the new normal of what the future craft distillery should operate like.
For more information, visit the following websites: